See all the hard work going into this. And here's Grandpa raking, doing such a great job.
Yeah, here's again.